actor Paul Walker's estate in a $10 million settlement and inheritance for his minor daughter. Hello, my name is John P.L.L.C. I'm a Florida estate litigator with the P.L.C law firm in West Palm Beach, Florida. We handle trials, disputes, and appeals of wills, trusts, estates, guardianships, as well as commercial and business litigation. I'm going to be speaking to you today about a settlement, a $10 million settlement in favor of the minor child of actor Paul Walker. You might remember that Paul Walker passed away in a car accident in 2013, being in a car wreck. He had a minor daughter, and there was evidently a wrongful death case that was filed. Today's May 2nd, 2016, and media reports suggest that a $10 million settlement occurred in favor of his daughter, his minor daughter. So what do you do if you have a wrongful death lawsuit, and what do you do if you have a minor beneficiary? Well, Florida probate litigators and Florida probate lawyers know that Florida has its own wrongful death statute that you must comply with. Typically, if you're suing someone, you sue someone on behalf of the estate, and you bring the lawsuit in the name of the personal representative or executor of the estate. That's why many times family members who have lost a loved one and believe there's a lawsuit or a wrongful death lawsuit want to control the estate. They want to be in charge of that wrongful death lawsuit. And so many times Florida probate lawyers work very closely with personal injury or wrongful death lawyers in Florida. Once that person is nominated and accepts the mantle of responsibility to administer the estate, a wrongful death lawsuit can be filed. But be careful. There's very short time frames to file a wrongful death lawsuit in Florida. So you may have to open up that probate or that Florida estate quicker than you realize. Then, what do you do if you get a settlement or you get a jury verdict in favor of the estate? Well, you actually get a verdict or a settlement in favor of the survivors. And that's typically determined by Florida statute under the supervision of a probate court or the trial court that handled the wrongful death lawsuit. If your family is involved in a probate and you have causes of action for a deceased person, and there may be a chance of a wrongful death lawsuit, consider hiring a probate lawyer who can advise you on how to choose a wrongful death attorney, how to choose a personal injury law firm that has experience with wrongful deaths in Florida. There could be millions of dollars on the line, and you'll want to know what firm you can hire and what firm may be best for you. My name is John P.L.C., and this concludes my remarks on Florida estate litigation and wrongful death lawsuits.